gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a full Slowbro Galar shape. Slowbro had two forms, and Galarian form which was introduced in the Isle of Armor, and normal form, Cantonian form. Okay, it had an interesting ability in quick draw. What this ability does is, it had a 20% chance. It works like a quick draw. It had a 20% chance to activate, and we will go first, even in Trick Room or if Pokemon normally outspeed us. And I thought, what if we give it a quick claw? And I gave it, and now it's 40% chance. I was thinking of also having Trick Room, but alas, I doesn't had it. And this is it knows a new move in Shellside Arm. What Shellside Arm is a special move. Special attack, it's 90 base power. Okay, Sludge Wave is better, 90%. but it had also a higher chance of poisoning the target. I think yes, 90%, 30%. Yes, 30% chance of poisoning, and it had another effect. Even though it takes our special attack, it takes opponent's physical or special defense depending on which one is lower. And it had expanding force. Now I am using expanding force instead of psychic on every psychic type Pokemon. If there ever will be an tiers on moves usage, I think it will be like this. Psychic is very good until Generation 8, where expanding force was introduced and psychic days are over. Everybody uses expanding force. Okay, we had Ice Beam for coverage and Flamethrower. I was thinking of giving it Nasty Plot, but we had some Pokemon for setup. So yeah, mainly that indeed. And this is a max health, max special attack select along with the modest nature. Okay guys, I'll see you in the video. That's a long set. Okay guys, here we are in the battle. My opponent had an, I would say, interesting team. Okay. The Xerneas is a problem and the Lucario, but we had Flamethrower. Okay, let's see what happens in the battle. At the start of the battle, I sent out my immediate free mail to set up the Psychic Search for expanding force, and I used a command. He used Toxic. Unlike in the Raichu video, I used only 2 commands. I think I immediately used a double attack into my Slowbro. Which used Gigatron, but we are 4th time. No, with your resistant. Our Quick Draw activated and used Flamethrower. Quick Draw activated a lot of times in the battle. He sent out his Greninja. Our Quick Draw activated. We killed it with our Shellside Arm. He sent out his Mega Lucario. But we had our Quick Claw activated instead of Quick Draw, and we killed it. He sent out his Naganadel, but he unfortunately outspeeded. But we killed it with expanding force. He sent out his Inteleon. Our Quick Draw activated. We used Shellside Arm and online activated. Slowbro. Our Quick Claw activated. We used Shellside Arm. I think he doesn't have max Mind Storm. If we had it, we would have died. Also, this is my second try on this thing. And our Quick Claw activated, and we killed it. If our Quick Claw doesn't activate, we would have lost. And this Slowbro Galar should be in OU, man. At the start of Isle of Armor, at the 13 days it had in OU, but it dropped it to UU now. But Slowbro doesn't deserve this. It should be in OU. I don't care of Slowbro, but I really like Galarian Slowbro, because I had this attachment to it because of Shellside Arm. And that's conclude this episode of New Moose Challenge. Guys, I'll see you in the next New Moose Challenge, or next Let's Play, or next G-Max, or next Trial Megas. That's it for the episode. Sorry if you hear any barking sounds of dogs. I'll see you in the next episode.